This was at the end of roofing season. This was beginning of December in central Pennsylvania. I told the client, I said, hey, if we're gonna get this done, we need to get on it and get it done now. We can't wait. I got the coating ordered and got that shipping. We went in and we pressure washed 22,000 square foot in less than 6 hours. Set up, pressure wash, tear down, everything was put away, the trailer was drained, everything. You know, we had to get the trailer drained because chance of freezing overnight. Everything was drained, everything was good to go. We had one full day of prep work. So we had to lower drains, we had to make some scuppers work, we had to do a bunch of things like that. Then the next day, we had the coating there on the job. We waited for it to warm up a little bit. We sprayed out the base layer. And the next day, we sprayed out the top layer. We were able to finish the job. The next day, after we sprayed the top layer, the temperature dropped. If we wouldn't have the ProWash Trailer System and been able to get that done in one day, it would have pushed us one day farther into the season and we probably wouldn't have been able to finish.